Hey everyone, welcome back. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today we are doing a Project Pan update. Super exciting. So this is my second update for the Roulette Pan collab. And if you guys are not familiar with this project, it is a huge collab both here on YouTube and also Instagram. There's tons of amazing, lovely panners doing this project. It was started by Alexy and Rebecca. I will definitely leave their channels linked down below, and I have quite a few friends who besides Rebecca and Alexy that are also doing this, so it's just like a massive collab. So if you guys are really into project panning, definitely you have a lot of videos to check out if you haven't done so already. So I highly recommend checking out everyone who's doing this video. If you guys are doing this project and I have yet to watch any of your videos, yell at me down in the comments, girl, because I tried my best. I really was like, I need to watch every video, I need to comment on everyone, but it's been a busy time of year. So if I have not yet watched your intro and or your last updates, please let me know down below in the comments because it was by accident. I definitely want to watch everyone's updates. So like I mentioned, this is my second update, so if you have missed my previous update and my intro video, I will leave them linked down below. And yeah, I'm really excited to get into this update. I do have an empty, which is really exciting. So, alright guys, so the first empty of this project for me is this guy right here. This is the Tarte Drink of H2O Moisturizer. So the category that this got pulled for was a product I bought because of Desi Perkins, and this was just a moisturizer that I saw her using on her channel a ton, and she's got amazing skin, so I ended up buying like a little sample of it, and I really enjoyed the sample, so I ended up buying the full size, and it is empty. I'm super excited. This one was just like hanging around in my skincare for so long that it was just kind of bugging me, and I really was neglecting, like I wasn't wearing a lot of makeup actually the last 2 months, and I was not doing a lot of skincare, but this past month I was able to push myself to be a little bit better with my skincare, and I was finally able to finish this up, but there was not that much left in it for my last update, so kind of not surprised that I finished it, but I'm still super happy that I was able to finish this guy off. So the next product I have is also a moisturizer. This is from GlamGlow. It is their Volcasmic Matte Glow Moisturizer. I feel like there's a hair. You know when your like face itches but you don't want to like scratch your makeup off? Looking super cute now. Okay. So this moisturizer, so the previous moisturizer I used at night. This one I use specifically when I'm about to do my makeup. So it is like the first thing that goes on my face when I'm doing my makeup. It's like, it's so perfect for makeup. I feel like it's kind of smoothing a little bit, and it's not something like that takes a really long time to absorb. Like you can put products right on top of it and it'll be fine. Really love this moisturizer for this. This is not cruelty free though, so I was pretty happy to put it in this project so I can make some progress on it, some like good decent progress on it. This was for the category a product that I bought because of Jamie Genevieve. This moisturizer I'm making like decent progress on. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but I've actually, when I started getting my nails done, I've been having to like dig my pinky into it to get product out. I can't like just put the tips of my fingers in anymore and like get some product. So I think it's almost going faster. I think I'm using more because of that. Not like on purpose, it's just happening. So I think I'm making like, I don't know, I'm making good progress on it. I don't really see myself using this up before the project is over though, because again, even though I am using a little bit more than I was previously, I'm still not using a lot because a little goes a very long way, I feel. So not sure about, I don't think I'm going to finish this in this project, but as long as I'm making steady progress, I'm okay with it. Alright, and then the next product I have is this NYX Beauty Balm. I have it in the shade Nude, and this, I cannot tell, you guys. I can't tell. cannot tell where it is. I can't squeeze it down very much. It's definitely a lot of air in here. It's not all product, but I'm really not sure where I am with this, and I think I've only used it maybe twice, and that might be from the start of this project. I don't know. I feel like I have not used it. I was really concentrating on the foundation that was in my project pan from last year, so but I did actually enjoy mixing it with that Giorgio Armani, the Luminous Silk Foundation. So I think I've used it, I don't know, I think I've used it like a very small amount of times, and I definitely need to concentrate on this one for the next month and just see how much progress I can make on it. But I don't think I'm going to be hitting my goal for this. I think my goal was to use it up completely, and I don't think that's going to happen. But I do want to make some decent progress on this, so I'm definitely going to try to get myself to focus on this one a little bit more. Next product I have is another one that I won't be making a ton of visual progress on, but I'm very happy to have it in this project. It is my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. This is in the shade Luminous Flush, and this is what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning. I love this blush, you guys. I absolutely adore it. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. I'm actually not wearing it today, weirdly enough, but I've been wearing it most days. If I'm wearing blush, except for today, it's been this blush. I just decided to wear something else that is in a different project that you guys probably won't see the video for until after this one. This guy is just, you know, I'm just gonna keep working on it. I'm not expecting to see much visual progress. It's quickly becoming one of my favorite blushes. I've really been enjoying this, so I'm glad to have it in the project. So this was for the category a product from NYX, and this one was the category a product from your favorite brand. So the next product was for a category a drugstore product, and I picked the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Medium Bisque. I've been using this as essentially a liquid bronzer because it is pretty warm toned. It's not really a good contouring shade. There was a ton of air in this that finally came out, and so now I'm seeing some visual progress, which is very exciting, and I'm thinking I could potentially use this up if I really, really work for it. This is where we are at now. I'm able to actually like squeeze the tube down. There is some a little bit like stuck to the sides, but for the most part, that's where I'm at. I'm gonna go ahead and mark this with a Sharpie because I can finally mark it. I was not able to in the last two videos, so super excited for this. I don't know, I think it's definitely, I'm not gonna be surprised if I don't finish it by the end of the project, but I think I'll get close, so. Alright, so I have marked it right there. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but I will give you close-ups. And then the last product is from a category, I think the category is like a product that illuminates, brightens, or highlights, I think? Maybe? I chose this guy right here. This is the little like Benefit What's Up sample, but there's quite a lot of product in here. There's a lot of product in here. I didn't realize quite how much product is actually in this, so I'm gonna go get my little paper that I have marked on it, but I have not made a lot of progress, like, at all. I've definitely been using it a lot more this month than I have last month, because last month I don't remember how many times I used it, but it was not a lot. This time I have used it more, but definitely not, I don't think I've been making much progress, so I'm gonna go get my notebook and show you guys. So I have it marked right here on this paper, and I actually can't make, I can't make a new mark yet. It's still like, it's coming in like just underneath where that line is, so I can't make a new mark, but you can definitely see like I'm wearing it down. It's definitely looking like I've used it this time, but still not any progress really. So I really, really want to focus in on this product for the next month, but I feel like I said that about all of the products. Anyways, so yeah. Okay, so I'm getting the list of categories up, and then I'm going to be pulling a random number. Why is there hair on my face? So I have the list of categories up, complete with the ones that I added. I added a couple. And then I have the Pretty Random app on here, the one that's like super pretty to look at. And I think it was Sophie that had this, that was using this, and then like, I don't know, now I'm seeing it everywhere. So I decided I needed to download it too. Before I was using the Google random number generator, just the one that pops up if you just like search random number generator on Google. And you guys will see this in an upcoming video, but did not feel like it was very random. So I won't be using it anymore. I'm gonna use this one and try it out. So I have 61 categories. So I'm going to be going from 1 to 60, 61. So I'm going to go ahead and randomize. Oh, can you shake it? Oh, you can. That's cool. So I got the number 10. Let's see. If I pull a category that I've already chosen, I'm going to go ahead and just pull a new number because I don't want to double up on things. So number 10 is a unique product, which I have not had before. So a unique product. This is gonna take a while. Okay, I'm gonna go hang out with my makeup for a little bit and I'll be right back. Took a look around my makeup, kind of pulled out a couple of things. I don't know, I feel like a lot of my makeup isn't unique, which is actually kind of annoying because it's like, well then why do I have so many of the same thing? But like, I don't know, like an eyeshadow palette, like I was trying to like think of like an eyeshadow palette that was like more unique. And I just wasn't really like seeing anything kind of spring to mind. So I was eyeing, there's like a color changing lipstick I have. It's pretty unique. I feel like I only have the one. And there's some other kind of face products that definitely were like ones that I don't have a lot of that particular type. But I decided to go with this one because I don't know. I don't know. So I am picking this guy. This is the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So in itself, it is not very unique, but the packaging is what makes it unique because the product is actually in here and you take the brush that's on the other side and you like dip it in there. I've heard not to use this brush though. I've heard to use like your own eyebrow brush, which I can see this one's a little thick, but apparently people really like this. So I haven't tried it out yet, and I've been meaning to, so this is the perfect opportunity to hopefully get some use out of this. I'm gonna mark this guy. If I hold it up right to my ring light, I am able to see through it, so that's exciting. I'm gonna try not to blind myself. So I did mark it right about there, and we'll see how well I'm able to track the progress on this. It's probably gonna be a little hard, but I'm gonna do my best. So this is the product that I am rolling in. Super excited that I got to roll something new in. Hopefully there'll be something I can roll in next time as well. I love rolling things into projects. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my update. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and definitely make sure you guys check out the other lovely ladies doing this project. I think you guys will definitely find some really great panners to watch if you're looking for some new panners. If you guys are just into project panning, I think you'll definitely love watching the videos that everyone is putting out. So super excited to be a part of this, and again, a huge shout out and thanks to Rebecca and Alexy for starting this project. And then opening it up to the rest of us. So I'm having such a blast doing this, so really excited that I joined in this round, and I'm super excited to see everyone's updates. So that is it for me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.